Gravitation. The force that holds everything together, the first experience of gravity. Think about dropping a stone. It always falls down. This simple observation is our first experience of gravity. Gravity is the invisible force that pulls everything toward the earth. It is the reason we can walk, rivers flow, and thrown objects come back down. Newton and the falling apple. The famous story goes that Isaac Newton saw an apple fall from a tree and wondered, if the apple falls to the ground, why doesn't the moon? This thought led to the law of universal gravitation. Newton explained that the same force pulling the apple downward also keeps the moon orbiting Earth. Gravity is universal, working everywhere in the cosmos. Universal gravitation. Everything pulls everything. Gravity is not limited to Earth and objects. Every mass attracts every other mass. Two small stones also pull each other, though the force is too tiny to notice. Massive objects like planets and stars have enormous gravitational pull, shaping orbits and cosmic structures. Gravity in everyday life. Our feet stay on the ground because of gravity. Water flows downward in rivers. Buildings, trees, and mountains remain firmly on Earth. Without gravity, everything would float in the air. Gravity is the unseen glue that holds the world in balance. Planets and orbits. Cosmic dance of gravity. Gravity doesn't just keep us on Earth. It organizes the solar system. Earth orbits the sun because of the sun's gravity. The moon revolves around Earth. Satellites remain in orbit because they are constantly falling toward Earth, but moving forward fast enough to miss it. This creates a perfect cosmic dance. Tides, the moon, and suns influence ocean. Tides are a visible proof of gravity. The moon's gravity pulls water, causing high and low tide. The sun's gravity also contributes. Together, they create rhythmic ocean movements. Mass versus weight. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. Weight is the force of gravity acting on that mass. Example, on the moon, your mass stays the same, but your weight decreases due to weaker gravity. This is why astronauts can jump higher on the moon. Zero gravity, truth, and misconception. Astronauts floating in space often appear weightless. Gravity is still present, but they are in continuous free fall around Earth while moving forward fast enough to stay in orbit. Hence, the illusion of zero gravity. Black holes. Gravity at its extreme. When a massive star collapses under its own gravity, it can form a black hole. Its gravitational pull is so strong that even light cannot escape. This is the most extreme form of gravity in the universe. Why gravitation matters without gravity. Planets wouldn't orbit stars. Atmosphere wouldn't cling to Earth, making life impossible. Oceans and rivers would not exist. The universe would be chaotic without structure. Gravitation is the invisible architect of the universe, shaping galaxies, stars, planets, and life on Earth.